Party Part 2. Wahoo! Everyone in the hot tub. Someone peed. Both in the kiddie pool and in the big pool. Oh man. Everyone in the big pool. Someone peed in here. They kept alternating pools and alternating. Everyone in the kiddie pool. Someone peed in here. Nobody can fit in a kiddie pool like that. Oh no, Go-Go's Crazy Buns! We can't fit in the kiddie pool. What? You can't fit in the kiddie pool? 4 more Go-Go's! No! Man, good thing the whole Go-Go collection can fit in the kiddie pool. Whoa! Ow! Man, this is not going to end well. Whoa! Wow! Ow! Whoa! Whoa! Ow! Ooh! Whoa! Man. Shipwrecked. Anyone who gets caught in a wreck immediately loses 2 points. Now we're all caught in the wreck. Help! We can't scramble out! It's too wet! We're having injury! Oh no, we gotta help the Go-Go's. How? Night kick! Ow. Fire below! Man, now the water's in here. Bucktail boys, group swim! Man, not you again. In the group swim! Woohoo! That's the end of part 2. Thank you for watching.